The point where it became ridiculous with the remotes was where the number of remotes that I had no longer fit in the coffee table.
If I didn't have the Logitech Harmony, I would probably have about 6 remotes.
At least 7 or 8.
We had 3 remotes that we used every day.
4, maybe 5 different remotes.
It was like remote, 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 remote.
As a result, I kind of did a lot of research and tried to find something that would have the appropriate amount of flexibility for what I wanted to do, along with just the ease of what is the one thing that you want to do when you're sitting in front of that entertainment center, and just one button will get you there.
With the Harmony remote, one push of a button creates all the right settings for my TV, for my receiver, and even turns on my Xbox.
Pretty much press the button and then all the components start switching on and switching to their right position, and then you're watching what you want to watch.
I'm going to get the results that I'm expecting to get.
The Logitech Harmony is the first remote I've ever used that truly is a universal remote.
The idea of having one remote was fantastic.
Compared to other remotes that I have tried to use, the Logitech Harmony was easier.
I plugged it into my laptop. I was able to program it. All it asked for was the model numbers of the TV and all the other components that I have.
Before you know it, just by answering the questions, you've already done most of the setup on your remote.
Almost seems like you just plug it in and it's a matter of a minute or two and everything's updated and set up.
You don't have to know anything, really. I mean, I gave one to my parents for Christmas one year, and they set it up all themselves. And anything that they can do and I don't have to provide tech support for them is something I like.
It's easy.
I pick it up, I press, I look, it works beautifully, that's it.
Everything goes on at once because it's been programmed that way.
My system just wouldn't work without it.
You can't have it.
It makes life simple, and that's, I think, what everybody's looking for.
Every component we have is on there.
It's basically taking what was a very difficult, complex situation and putting it in your hand one time.
The toaster might be more difficult to use.
I wouldn't want to be without it.
Remote is part of my life, there's no question about it.
Saved our marriage.
Harmony. Get the revolutionary remote that replaces all others.